There are many inexpensive small business ideas if you have an entrepreneurial spirit with a tight budget. It can be challenging to decide which business ventures are worthwhile to pursue with so many options in 2022. In this video, we'll teach you about businesses you can start for less than $1,000 that will make you wealthy in 2022. To ensure you don't miss any crucial details, watch this video all the way through. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Without wasting time, let's get started. Small businesses significantly affect the economy. The U.S. Small Business Administration estimates that there are 31.7 million small businesses in the country, accounting for 99.9% of all businesses. Owners of businesses contribute to creating jobs and offering essential services to their communities. Do you aspire to become a small business owner? Do you have a business idea you should launch? You might be able to learn how to launch a business sooner than you think if you have some extra cash or even just a great idea. Additionally, as your business becomes more profitable, you'll be able to reinvest the money in it to help it grow. You might eventually even be able to bring on staff to support the expansion of your company. To start your business, you don't need to put a lot of money aside or obtain a business loan. In actuality, there are business concepts that you can launch for $1,000 or less. Some businesses you can start without startup money if you're passionate about the service you are offering. We've put together this list of small business ideas if you're looking for ways to earn money and need some inspiration. Here are some concepts to think about. Writing services. Even without a degree or prior experience, you might be able to launch a freelance writing career if you have a strong command of the written word. Many companies will pay for writing copy for blogs and other things. You'll typically need published writing samples to get clients, so starting a side business on a platform like Fiverr, Upwork, Textbroker, or ClearVoice is a great place to start. By doing so, you can expand your portfolio and establish your reputation. Creating a personal blog or website with writing samples is also a good idea. You can even pitch an article idea to a publication if you have one. Remember that pay will typically increase with experience, so if you're starting, you might have to settle for a lower rate. Social media management. Since not everyone knows how to reach customers on social media effectively, if you have experience managing social media accounts, businesses may ask you for help. Most employers prefer candidates with a marketing or public relations degree and work experience. Others are seeking someone with knowledge of graphic design. If you're starting, you might want to offer your services as a volunteer to manage the finances of a nonprofit organization. Keep track of how well your social media accounts expand and promote your abilities to prospective clients on a credible website. Home repair services. You might be able to help homeowners who need repairs if you're handy. Most states require a license for home repairs, but the requirements change. You might only need to pay the registration fee, or you might have to finish the required coursework and pass the test. Once you have a license, you can list your services on websites like TaskRabbit and HomeAdvisor. You can handle tasks ranging from minor repairs to comprehensive remodels, depending on your experience level. Making sure your customers are happy will help you gain more clients for your handyman services because positive word of mouth is very effective. Auto repair services. You can start an auto repair shop at a low cost if you like working on cars and already have the necessary tools. You might carry out bulb replacements, oil changes, and bodywork repairs. What kind of license you need to start depends on the services you provide and the laws of your state. While some states only require a business license or permit, others require specific training and certification to work as a mechanic. If you have a garage, you can run your business from the convenience of your home. However, you may not need a workspace, since you could visit clients' locations to handle simple auto repairs. Car detailing. Contrary to popular belief, starting a full-time business out of car detailing is feasible. The average profit from car detailing ranges from $50 to $400 per vehicle, so if you can find repeat customers, you could turn a healthy profit. Marketing is the secret to success in the car detailing industry. You'll need to advertise your services on a website or social media platform and promote consistent reviews. Try to give new clients special rates or package deals in exchange for their commitment to multiple sessions. A driveway and cleaning supplies are all you need to get started. You might consider IDA certification or attending a craftsmanship seminar to improve your skills. Life coaching. You might make a great life coach if you're good at giving advice, inspiring others, and developing success formulas. You could focus on supporting entrepreneurs, assisting those battling addiction, or assisting those with relationship issues. Although it can be helpful if you have personal success in your expertise, it probably won't be enough to get you going. Although you don't need a license to advertise your services, most candidates will require training to land a job. Since there are many low-quality programs available, pick one that has been approved by the International Coaching Federation, or ICF, which establishes the industry's standards. You must have completed at least 60 hours of training and 100 hours of coaching for a credential. To get started, offer your services to friends and family. You can also try offering free or low-cost services in your neighborhood as you gain experience. Bookkeeping services. If you have a solid mathematical background, you might be able to offer financial services like creating reports, handling payroll, or even instructing others on how to use accounting software. Being a bookkeeper does not require being a certified public accountant, but getting certified by the National Association of Certified Public Bookkeepers in your area of expertise may help you draw in more clients. For less than $1,000, certification can be obtained. To launch your business, you can select a niche market or offer a wide range of services to a particular industry, like neighborhood restaurants. Ask each client you work with to leave a review of your services. To help spread the word about your brand, you can advertise your company on social media or look for opportunities on a website like Upwork. Contract cleaning. Not everyone has the time or the ability to clean frequently. By training as a professional cleaner, you can help office and homeowners with cleaning tasks like vacuuming, dusting, and scrubbing. Household cleaning businesses have meager startup costs. Less than $100 can be spent on cleaning supplies and equipment, though you could also buy specialized tools like steam vacuums or carpet cleaners. Create a website or social media page to spread the word for less money. The needs of your clients will determine the fees you charge. However, some cleaners charge extra for specific tasks, and the majority bill by the hour, organization, deep cleaning, etc. Landscaping services. Have a love for landscaping and gardening? Starting a landscaping company might be the ideal way to turn your pastime into a successful business. Depending on your climate, landscaping services can range from trimming lawns to planting flowers and shrubs. They may also be seasonable. Decide what you can do best in a yard, then target a particular market with your advertising. Maintain a carefully edited portfolio of your best work, complete with vivid pictures of the results for clients. Make sure to emphasize any special services you provide, such as pest control, fertilizing, etc., on your social media channels. You can knock on doors in your neighborhood or use websites like TaskEasy to find your first landscaping customers. You can find paying customers in your area for your landscaping business by using websites like HomeAdvisor. You can also become certified by the National Association of Landscape Professionals to increase your credibility. Photography. You only need a decent camera and a body of work to launch a photography business. A business license or permit may also be required depending on where you live. Choose a niche, like photographing graduates or weddings, and offer free or low-cost services as you develop your portfolio. You can set up a social media page or a website for your portfolio to draw clients. Choose your pricing strategy, including your hourly rate and whether to offer flat rate packages. You can apply to work as a freelance photographer with Snapper, a photography marketplace if you have professional gear and plenty of experience. And it's a wrap. What are your thoughts on this? Which of the businesses mentioned above do you believe fits you best? Please share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it if you want to see more excellent videos. You can also watch this video right here on the screen. Goodbye until next time.